Naye maama twagala otuyamba otutwale otuyiseeko mu mugaso gwagwo mu Buganda.
Omukazi Omuganda tatuula ku ttaka wabula atuula ku mukeeka. Kyekisookera ddala. Omukazi Omuganda ng'agenda okufumbirwa bamusibira emikeeka ewa bba. Ate bbawe mu budde obw'eddembe batuula ku kakeeka so si mu ntebe.
The mats are going to be put in the entire school. They are put underneath the roof. So we install them just underneath the roof within the purlins. So we make a framework out of 2-inch timber. That framework we put within the purlins, and on this framework is where we shall put these mats. They are held in place with nails, and after aligning them, then we come with small eucalyptus beading that we get out of 2-inch gum poles. Then we put on top of that connection to cover that nail, and then later we shall come back with linseed oil and paint over this beading. And of course, for all the exposed wood in the school, it will be painted and treated with linseed oil.
We decided to bring each classroom to bring its own identity, their own specificities. And so like you have curvy walls that are different in every room. Every room is different spatially, but also with the colors. So the ceiling, we have chosen 5 colors and we have spread them among the 12 classrooms. So there is there's a dark blue, a light blue, a green, and a mustard yellow, and then some kind of red maroon. And those colors are the same as the windows. We had to develop different patterns with the same color. We didn't want to mix colors, but different patterns to have this fading effect from very dense to plain. So then we met a lady that's actually weaving, someone in the village, and she showed us what's possible, what's not. So we could develop a different patterns that could work better, so it's easier to weave.
Twatambula wano ennakulabye nga batusuubiza ne tuluka emikeeka biki ebiwempe dowamati abakyala bano bonna twatambula ennakulabye wiikisi ezo tetulina ke twafunayo naye ffe bwe twatambudde mu Localworks ate ne batusuubiza nga tebatugambye nti mumale kuleeta kasente nga bali batusuubizaayo nti muleete omutwalo ne batugamba ne basooka okukola samples nga bwe bajja naye kino kyabasanyudde ne beewuunya nga ddiiru eyiseemu.
For the whole school, we need about 2,000 mats, and we have about 200 ladies weaving these mats. And we found out that from these people, each person can make roughly 2 mats per week. So there is a beading, a small beading that goes within the straw mat. So that's the beading that you didn't put. So you can put that beading everywhere. We have a purlin underneath.
We decided to use mats for also some technical reasons, like we wanted to actually avoid to see the roof sheets because they are not particularly beautiful, and that also helped to reduce the noise disturbance from the rain and also the overheating from the roof sheets. So it has several advantages. But the main reason we used it was for aesthetic reason, to bring the warmth, make it feel homely, comfortable. Then each bay, like between 2 trusses, we have a tiny skylight, like with a narrow strip of light. Like we have a translucent sheet at this point for the light to come in, so the students have enough daylight to do the work. Instead of using plain like fibers, we would use drinking straws that are transparent, translucent, so the light can go through.